Hello all. Are you an optimistic person? Are you a pessimistic person? Which kind of person are you? If you are not a natural optimistic person, no problem. Optimism is a learnable skill. You can learn optimism. Right? What is optimism? Optimism means facing the challenges, not running away from the challenges. Optimism means taking calculated risk. Underline the word calculated, not a blind risk. That is optimism. Optimism about this, building the character in crisis. Dear friends, characters are built in the crisis, not when everything is fine. Optimism doesn't mean thinking positively. It also includes acting positively, which means optimistic thoughts must be supported by optimistic actions. If the optimistic thoughts are not supported by optimistic actions, that kind of optimism is not going to help you. You should remember that. You all know that is in human life, problems, difficulties, hardships, obstacles, hurdles, these are the common, these are the natural. But pessimistic people, when they face with difficulties, when they face with hardships, they give up, they quit, they leave it. When it comes to optimistic people, they think that, yeah, I have problems, but my problems are not permanent. They also think that, though I have a problem in one area of my life, this doesn't mean I am a failure. I am not a failure. I have some weaknesses, but I can overcome those weaknesses if I study, if I work hard, if I improve my skills. Like that, the optimistic people think. Dear friends, here, one more thing I want to tell you. When a bad event happens to you, when a negative event happens to you, in that particular negative event, your ability to think clearly dies down. At that time, your mind cheats you. You don't trust your thoughts. They are not realistic. They are not authentic. In that negative event, you will be depressed. You will be stressed. Therefore, you don't believe yourself when you are depressed. You don't believe yourself when you are stressed. What I mean to say, just take some pause. Like half day, 1 day, 2 days, like take some pause. Just come out of from that depression. Just come out of from that like stress situation. Come out from that and just sit in a comfortable place. Think peacefully. Then take decision. Then trust you. Then believe you. That kind of ideas and that kind of belief that will help you. Okay, so don't believe yourself when you are depressed. And dear friends, here lastly I want to tell you one thing. So that is, if you want to kill pessimistic thoughts, optimistic actions are required. Optimistic actions are important. Don't forget this. This is very important. Okay, yeah, this is all about this video. I hope you like this video. You love this video. And see you on next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Namaste.